Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. We expect it to be mostly cloudy today for parts of the Lowveld. There could even be a couple of showers in the north of that region, while over the rest of South Africa it's going to be a partly cloudy day. We expect a few thunder showers to redevelop through the central parts. Some of those storms could even reach the eastern coastline much later. It's going to be a mostly hot day in the far west, in particular for the interior of the Western Cape. That's taking place ahead of an approaching weak cold front, which has little effect on our country for the meantime. There is one warning that's been issued for today. It's for a high fire danger along the west coast and the adjacent interior, and that extends into the Karoo regions of the Western Cape, and there is a potential for runaway fires across that region for the rest of the day. The rainfall probability map shows isolated thunder showers for a broad region over South Africa's interior, extending towards the Eastern Cape coastline, and this also includes Gauteng, southern Limpopo and the Mpumalanga Highveld, while to the north of that a couple of light showers could just touch the northern Lowveld, including around Musina, but that should be clearing out later on. The temperatures indicate that things remain almost unchanged for the northern parts of the country for today. 30 degrees as a high for Pretoria, while Palabora and Vryburg both get to a high of 34. High 20s and low 30s in the forecast for the central and eastern interior of the country. Pietermaritzburg and Ladysmith get to 31 degrees. And we have light to moderate winds along the east coast of South Africa, becoming fresh at times for Port Elizabeth, mostly in the late afternoon. Over the southern interior, temperatures are going to rise into the mid-30s. Once again, another very hot day for the region, while towards the coastline we see temperatures climbing into the upper 20s for most places, along with generally light wind conditions becoming moderate at times for Jeffreys Bay as well as Cape Agulhas. The Northern Cape interior remains hot, 36 for Uppington, while Calvinia peaks at 35. And along the coastline, we expect it to be a mild to warm day over this area, but hot for some areas towards the south, and we have southwesterly winds across this area, averaging at about 20 kilometers per hour. A look ahead to tomorrow, when thunder showers continue for the central, northern and eastern parts of the country. Some of those thunderstorms could reach Durban and Richards Bay, where it's going to be an especially hot afternoon, while that weak cold front brushes along the Western Cape coastline, where a few drops of light rain will be possible.